Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today I'm very excited for this. The coilovers I ordered finally came in, and I'm finally upgrading my suspension. Sorry if you guys hear all these background noises, they're my neighbors, and they're reinventing something right now. But I'm so excited, finally my suspension is going to be a lot stiffer than before, and it should improve the handling even much better than what I have on right now. So the ones I ordered are D2s. They just came in this morning. It's got rubies and rubies and rubies, you know, all right, man. The beauty in these. Whew. So excited to install these. So, like, this should be pretty straightforward. There's no explanation on how to install these because I already made a video on them, but like, I'm gonna show you guys the process. So, let's get right to it. The coilovers are finally installed. The only issue I have right now is just the front fitment. It looks as if I could go, I was up to here before, so I'm gonna go back to where I was. So I'm gonna have to lower it in the front just a little bit more. But overall, it's very stiff. I freaking love how stiff it is. That's one of the goals I always wanted for this car, is to have a stiff suspension. But overall, whew, I should have done the rear first, but more so, the front fitment needs to work. Rear fitment is perfect. And oh my god, and let me show you guys the Godspeed, man. This is, Jesus, look at this. It's this one that's busted. It's this one that's busted, but it still holds on pretty tight. So, if anything, the only issue with these coilovers are their C's and this strut right here. You can't adjust the dampening, so that's pretty much it. And if you guys are looking forward to buying these coilovers, feel free to hit me up. There's already people that are already trying to copy these anyway, so I'll probably sell them soon. I just need to dial in the fitment in the front, so I should be set. So right now I'm gonna put everything back in the back seat, and then I'm gonna go for a test drive to see how stiff this is. Whew. So the car is finally dialed in and everything like that with height adjustment and the dampening. So rear and the front are maxed out to its stiffest, and the only thing that bothers me in the front is that it's been lifted just a little bit, but at the same time I low-key kind of need that since this car is somewhat pretty much a daily. So oh, you know what that reminds me of? You see all those greasy marks? You know what, I think I should clean that too, you know. But anyways, we're gonna go take this out for a test drive to see how stiff and how much bounce we get. According to like some of my friends who owns D2 coilovers, they say it's actually very stiff, and I was convinced to get them and see how it goes. And as I'm driving them, The coilovers should settle in, so this is not at the right height it's at right now, so I'm just gonna give it a couple hours, probably a day or two, to see how it sits after it's been, you know, beat up. So I'm gonna start cleaning that motherfucking thing. Alright guys, I'm back from that drive, and I did take roads that I usually take going to work and to school, and you know, going to my girlfriend's house. So like some of them I did off camera, but the one that really amazed me is when heading onto a certain lane, especially that bridge going towards Cupertino. There's that uneven bridge, and I'm surprised with these coilovers. It performed very well. It felt like I was in a stock car compared to when I had the Godspeeds. It felt like, yeah, it felt like I was in the modified car, but it made so much noise compared to this one. No noise at all. So, and if you guys want to see how stiff this car is, now I'll put you guys right here. That is pretty stiff, stiffer than the Godspeeds. I don't even know what's the spring rates on these coilovers because it didn't provide them, but I love how they feel. Like, they feel so freaking nice. So I truly recommend, for those who really want to go low, go D2s and above, BCs. I don't think they have Fortunato for this car, but this is worth your money. They got on Pro Import Tuners for about $800 to $900. So go ahead, you guys get these coilovers. I'm gonna be selling my Godspeeds, so by far I love this. So far, this car has came a long way. One more thing to this car is just the wrap, which is gonna be coming in soon. And other than that, the thing I'm gonna be focusing on or fixing is the passenger seat and the oil pan. The rest should be history. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace out.